Today I'm going to be discussing all about Makari soap. Some of you have asked me questions and shown concerns about how to best use this product to get optimal results. Today's video will focus on that. Welcome and welcome back to this channel. If you're seeing me for the first time, or if you have seen me before but you have not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button just now and turn on the post notification as well so we can get bigger and better on this community. If you're loving the hair I'm wearing, we've got other range of hair as well and eyelashes. Do visit our website at www.sharegorgeous.co.uk. The first thing you want to find out is your skin type. For me, I have got an oily face. From my neck to my knees is a combination skin, and I have a very dry legs. I know for most of you out there, you might not be sure the skin type you have, which is why Makari has provided a service where you can interact with your workers to find out your skin type first, and then that will help you find which soap is ideal for your skin. Makari has got a range of soaps, and not all the soaps suit all skin types. Now the skin types we have got is oily skin, combination skin, maturing skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, and the list goes on. So you want to make sure that you are setting your skin type. That way you can use the ideal soap which will work perfectly for your skin. Never assume you know how to use the product. Always read the instructions that comes with it. In as much as it's a skin lightening soap, that doesn't mean that all brands of skin lightening soaps work the same. Always read the instructions, because for some soaps it can be used every day and twice a day, but for other soaps it's meant to be used maybe just 3 times in a week, or maybe to use just on your face and not your entire body. So it's very important you read the instructions that comes with a product so that you can use it the right way and get the best result you want for your skin. The next reason why you might not be getting the result you want is because you're not using the skin lightening soap with other skin lightening products. Ideally, when you're using a skin lightening soap, you want to use it with other skin lightening products like lotion, cream, serum, and glycerin. With Makari, they do have most of their collection in a set. So if you find out that soap that works for your skin type, they mostly do have a lotion, a glycerin, or a serum that comes with a whole set, a facial cream, a body cream, that sort of stuff. So you always want to make sure that you try and buy the whole set. I know Makari can be quite expensive, but if you can buy the whole set, and that way you know you are using the whole collection of the lightening product. Depending on just the soap won't get you the results quicker, so make sure you are using it with other products as well. This next point is greatly overlooked by most of you, but it's so important. One of my subscribers reached out to me about this, so you want to really pay attention and make sure you don't make this mistake, and it's about the storage. You want to make sure you're storing the product appropriately. What happened was this subscriber left their soap in water, it melted, she was using it and it was really irritating her skin, so I told her to get rid of it and get a new product. You always want to make sure that you're storing the soap in a cool, dry place. Don't keep it in water, don't let it get soaked, and if you leave it in a temperate area, especially where it's very sunny, don't let your soap melt. Always keep it in a cool, dry place. If the soap melts, most likely the components of the ingredients might change and might irritate your skin, cause redness, inflammation, and you don't want that. So always make sure that you keep it in a cool, dry place so you don't experience this sort of negativity on your skin.
Hey there, I'm sorry to interrupt. Just a quick reminder to subscribe to this channel and turn on the post notification button for future uploads.
Interestingly, I recently found out that some soaps are meant to be used just during the night time. Are you surprised as well? Yes, that was how surprised I was as well. So you want to make sure that, again, if you have read the instructions that comes with the product, you would then be sure that, okay, this soap is actually meant to be used just during the night. So read the instructions just to be sure it's meant to be used just during the day or the night and the morning, or you can just use it at any time of the day. An example is if a soap or a product is being stated that it can be used during the night, that will mean obviously during the night your skin is resting, you're not going anywhere, you're not exposed to the harsh weather conditions, the dust, the dirty environment and all that. So your skin is resting and it can take its time for the soap or the product to work. So that's the reason why some companies might state that you should specifically use it in the night, and it's the case with Makari as well. So make sure you read the instructions to be sure it's meant to be used just during the night or in the morning, whichever time of the day, and that way your skin game will change. I always advise you leave the soap on your face and neck for about 3 to 5 minutes before going to take your bath. But if you have a sensitive skin, it should be just 2 to 3 minutes. However, for some people, they go way overboard, they leave it for about 20 minutes or more, and that can be really bad for your skin. It can actually burn your skin and make you look darker. If that is you, please don't do that. Just leave it on. 5 minutes maximum will do the job for you, and go take your shower. If you leave it on for far too long, it will burn your skin and it will make your skin darker. So that might be the reason why you're not getting the results that you want. You want to use the products responsibly. Skincare products can be like a try and error thing. So you're not sure the product will work for you. So you don't want to just jump into it full force using it every day and every time. So use it very responsibly. Monitor your skin. See how your skin reacts to it first before you use it every day and twice a day. I don't encourage mixing skin lightening products, and in case you didn't know, soaps can be mixed as well, especially bar soaps. Back in Africa, what we do is you grate the soap and then you mix it with African black soap, and it actually works for some people, but it's not something I would advise you do. In case you are doing it and it works for you and you're happy with it, that's fine, go for it. But if this is you, you've been doing this, you're not getting the results, as a matter of fact you're getting rashes and inconsistencies in your skin, then stop mixing your soap. Just use the bar, the form it comes in, and as it is. I know Makari products can be quite expensive, so if you've bought it and you're reacting to the product but you're still using it because you feel, I don't want to waste my money, I just want to keep using this and finish the product, darling, I'm sorry, this is not good. It's not worth it. Your skin is delicate. Discontinue use right away if this is you. Have a chat with Makari about how you reacted to the product, and one of their customer service advisors will let you know which other products will be ideal for you. You may never know, if you explain the situation to them, you might get your money back or you might get the option to just change the product. So yeah, don't take that risk of still using it because it's just too expensive. Finally, always do your research before buying any product, and I do that a lot. The benefits of this is it saves you time of having to wait again and buy a new product because the product didn't work for you. It also saves you money because yes, Makari products are not cheap. So if you're wasting your money because you didn't take your time to research, watch YouTube videos like this, look at reviews, speak to people, especially your customer service, to get the best advice before you buy the product, you will expose your skin to skin sensitivity, other skin concerns like rashes, inflammation, redness and all that, and you don't want to put yourself through that hassle. So do your research, an intensive one, before you buy any of the Makari soaps to use. Thank you so much for sticking around to this very end of this review. You know I love you guys so much and I just can't do without you on this channel. Take care, stay safe, and let's meet in my next video.